This is the SEAFLO 14B series low profile bilge pump. It is my very favorite SEAFLO bilge pump. It is a timer automatic bilge pump, meaning a timer starts the bilge pump every 2.5 minutes, and if it senses water, then it continues to pump until all the water is gone, or it just shuts off. As opposed to traditional bilge pumps that are deactivated when the float switch reaches the bottom position, even though there is water still left in the intake. These fittings can accommodate hose sizes including 3/4, 1 inch, and 1 1/8 inches. The fittings on the 14B are quick release, meaning that they can be installed and disassembled without removing the hose from the fitting or the hose clamps from the fitting. So you can service the pump without ever removing that hose. The 14B has 2 holes on the outlet that prevent airlock situations from happening. The pickup rotates 360 degrees, as does the outlet. So you can position the bilge pump any way that you like. The 14B has a quick release motor which can be released by pushing these 2 buttons. This allows you to service the motor and clean debris in the impeller that might not be accessible through the intake. The SEAFLO 14B series bilge pump pumps 1,100 gallons per hour and comes in 12 and 24 volt models. The 14B has 3 wires. Black is negative, brown is manual positive, and brown and white is automatic positive. After 2.5 minutes, the pump will try to run, and it will sense that there's water present. Here it started, and it's going to run until it can't pump anymore. So I'm going to simulate that by lifting the intake out of the water. As soon as the motor spins up, it stops.